These avian encounters, while usually harmless, can sometimes cause significant damage to aircraft, particularly if they occur during critical phases of flight. But what if, instead of causing damage, a bird strike triggered some kind of bizarre, unintended consequence? Imagine this. The plane is cruising along, minding its own business, when suddenly, a flock of birds collides with the aircraft's nose. Instead of the usual thud and shower of feathers, the collision triggers a hidden disco ball in the cockpit, bathing the pilots in a kaleidoscope of flashing lights. The onboard sound system kicks in, blasting out a catchy disco beat, and the autopilot, seemingly caught up in the moment, starts making the plane perform a series of elaborate aerial maneuvers that can only be described as the bird strike boogie. The passengers, initially terrified, can't help but laugh as their plane transforms into a giant disco ball in the sky, their fear replaced by a sense of surreal amusement. Section 1. Behind the Button. Unraveling the Science of Flight.